Think about the last time you wanted to change something. Not just complain, but actually make a difference. The most powerful tool for that isn't wealth or status. It's writing. Not academic essays locked in a classroom, but public writing, the kind that serves democracy. You can challenge power directly. A 200-word letter to the editor isn't just a note. It's a targeted argument aimed straight at decision makers. An opinion piece gives you more space to use a personal story, build a sophisticated case, and command public attention. These forms aren't just about what you think. They're about convincing others why it matters. Then there's the digital world. Here, a blog post can build an entire community, and a single social media post can spark a global conversation. But the audience has no patience. You have to be concise, visual, and authentic. You aren't just broadcasting, you're engaging in a live debate where every word counts. And when you need to mobilize, you turn to advocacy. A petition isn't a vague wish, it's a specific, actionable demand. An open letter gathers powerful names behind one clear message, turning a lone voice into a public chorus. But this power demands responsibility. It's about making complex ideas accessible without losing their truth. It's about persuasion, not manipulation, using verified facts and respecting your audience. Ultimately, that's the core of it. Public writing is the engine of civic life. It's how an individual's idea becomes a community's movement, and how a private belief can shape public policy. Every major social change began with words written for everyone to see. Your words can inform, they can challenge, and they can build a different world.